Alhamdulillah, by the fazl of Allah Jalla Majduhu, we are living through the most blessed days in the entire year. And many of the ulama have mentioned that these 10 blessed days are more virtuous than the days of Ramadan. Only they have said that last 10 nights of Ramadan have more virtues than the nights of these blessed days, whilst the others have said that even the nights of these are more virtuous than the nights of Ramadan. And from the hadith we do find this as well, that the Prophet ﷺ mentioned that whoever worships in the night of these 10 days is as though he has worshipped in Laylatul Qadr. And obviously in Ramadan, Laylatul Qadr is in one night only. So this means that every night is equal to the reward of Laylatul Qadr if one does actually take benefit from it. And if one does not, then obviously it is same for him wherever he is.